Welcome back to RV Road Report, your ultimate hub for rugged rides, rolling luxury, and life on the move. If you're fueled by freedom and obsessed with van life, you're right where you need to be. Today's feature is an absolute showstopper. The Mercedes-Benz Sanctuary Camper Motorhome in a vibrant glossy golden finish. This 4x4 beast is built for those who crave adventure without compromise. Whether it's the mountains, desert, or coastal backroads, this ride has you covered in pure style. Buckle up because this tour is going to be golden, literally and figuratively. Let's dive in. Exterior, front view, logo, and showroom. Feast your eyes on the front of this golden marvel, parked right at the official Mercedes-Benz showroom. The glossy golden bodywork shimmers under showroom lights, instantly turning heads. The iconic Mercedes-Benz emblem sits boldly on the grille, a badge of unmatched engineering and class. The front is loaded with charisma, massive LED headlamps, a sleek aerodynamic design, and a commanding presence. It's not just a camper van. It's a statement of road dominance and refined adventure. This sanctuary camper sets the tone before it even moves an inch. Top side view, solar antenna, AC. Now, let's get a bird's eye view. Up top, the Mercedes Sanctuary is fully loaded with off-grid essentials. You'll notice high-efficiency solar panels that soak up the sun and power your journey sustainably. There's also a compact antenna for signal boosting on remote drives and a sleek rooftop AC unit to keep your indoor climate cool even in extreme heat. Every inch of the rooftop is functional and thoughtfully engineered. It's more than a van roof. It's a mobile utility platform crafted for serious explorers. Backside view, tire and carrier. Swinging around to the rear, the features just keep getting smarter. First up, an extra tire is securely mounted for any unexpected road hiccups. Just beneath that, a cycle carrier is perfectly aligned, ready to hold your mountain bike or e-scooter for those short, scenic trips away from base. The double rear doors are rugged and tight-sealing, adding to the van's fortress-like construction. The golden finish continues with consistent polish and class. It's sturdy, sleek, and screams adventure-ready. Side view. Let's move to the side, where the van transforms into a luxurious outdoor escape. A fully retractable tent awning stretches out with ease, creating a shaded patio area. Pop out some chairs, roll out a mat, and boom, you got your own golden outdoor lounge. Whether you're camping in the woods, chilling by the ocean, or pausing the canyon, this setup turns the side of your van into a 5-star sitting area. Who needs a cabin when your motorhome sets up paradise at every stop? Driving compartment. Time to check out the command center, the driving compartment. This is Mercedes engineering at its finest. 2 large LED screens grace the dash, one for GPS navigation and infotainment, and another giving a live rear camera view for easy parking and reversing. Plush leather captain chairs cradle you in comfort. Ergonomic controls, a panoramic windshield, and soft golden ambient lights complete the cockpit. Whether you're on highways or climbing back rails, the drive is smooth, powerful, and fully in your hands. Sitting and sleeping area. Right behind the cockpit is your living space, the perfect blend of comfort and utility. A plush sofa setup invites you to relax during the day, with a compact table for meals or laptop work. As night falls, it converts into a full-size bed that comfortably sleeps 2 adults. Overhead compartments offer storage, while soft LED lighting adds ambience. It's cozy, clever, and crafted for recharging your energy after an epic day outdoors. It's your golden retreat after every golden sunset. Kitchen. No camper is complete without a kitchen, and this one is surprisingly loaded. A compact setup offers everything you need. A 2-burner gas stove, a stainless steel sink, and a mini refrigerator to keep your ingredients fresh. Overhead and under-counter cabinets provide smart storage for spices, dry goods, and utensils. There's even a small prep counter to get your meals ready. Brew your morning coffee or cook up campfire chili. This kitchen turns any remote location into a home-style cafe. Washroom. Now let's talk about something many vans skip, the washroom. And yes, it's included. The compact yet fully functional bathroom features a foldable sink, a flush toilet, and a mini shower head, all designed with smart space saving in mind. The waterproof walls, smart storage hooks, and a skylight for ventilation ensure that this space doesn't feel cramped. It's private, clean, and more than just practical. It's a thoughtful addition that makes long trips feel a lot more like home. And that wraps up our full tour of the Mercedes-Benz Sanctuary Camper Motorhome, a golden ride made for explorers, road warriors, and off-grid nomads. With its sleek design, fully loaded interior, and unbeatable versatility, this beauty is priced at just $31,000, making it one of the best values in its class. What do you think? Would you take this golden beast on your next adventure? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And you know the drill. Force them to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Catch you next time on RV Road Report.